I continue showing you houses and how you pick a house, what we have in the market. And first, as always, I'm gonna show you street. It's a decent neighborhood. As you can see, you always look in the houses next door. It's all good. You know, this is, I would say, the worst house on the block. And I'm not sure, you know, if you can go there, because as you can see, it's all damaged. So you definitely need to work on the deck. Other than this, let's see the house inside. It's 3-story. It has entrance right here. That's from where we enter. It has new windows, I would say. This is a backyard. That's how it looks. Like you're living in a woods. And as I was telling you, this is very common in Cincinnati, that you can see neighbors. They don't have any privacy. This is access to the basement, I believe. Okay, looks like somebody still lives there. We'll see. And let's go inside. And as always, after we tour the house, I'm gonna give you the price for it. So nobody's home, right?
Yeah, nobody's here. Alright, come this way.
What about this door?
Come this way.
Okay. I'm coming this way. I was trying to kick the door.
Yeah, I tried it already, but just gonna get around that way.
Okay. Okay, you need to change the floors. That's a holiday house. And it has high ceilings, which is hard to do, right?
What? How high ceilings?
Yeah, I mean, I love high ceilings, but what did oh, you just go from there? They just lock the door?
Yeah.
Strange. Okay, this is a kitchen.
Oh.
Yeah.
No, there's nothing.
What do you mean? It's
There's
a
no
kitchen.
door.
It's a kitchen.
That door doesn't go nowhere.
Oh, they just leave a door.
Yeah.
Was it fire here? Not sure.
Okay.
It's strange. You see so many people, they put this drop ceiling to save an electrical, huh? Okay. And it has tiny bathroom here. You probably jump from a toilet to... It's really tiny.
You can brush your teeth and crap.
Yeah. And this door probably go outside, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and it was open too. Yeah, because you can block it. It's not working. That's why it was open. Not much for a kitchen left, but it's okay. Some floors.
Ready to go up?
Yep, I'm ready to go up. So you have one room here. Let's put it this way.
Watch your step. There, basement that way.
And this room,
That's,
it's a kitchen.
Yeah.
Oh no, it's going somewhere, right? Okay. And this is second floor. They have fireplace everywhere. It's not bad.
So,
One more room right here. Some work on the fireplace. You know what? I don't think they have heat. They just warm it from. Oh no, they do. Yeah. Some damage on the ceiling. Yeah. And one more room right here. Okay, they did the drop ceiling. This is probably considered a master because it has toilet here. With a small sink. Okay. And this is closet, I think. Right? Yep. So the closet right here. So it's 3 rooms, 2nd floor, and 2 rooms and a 3rd one, right?
Yeah.
2 or 1?
2.
Oh, that's good. Oh, and you can see neighbor's roof from here with some views, right?
No fireplace up here though.
Thank God. There is problem on the roof, obviously. Okay. 1 room and 2nd room. It's a really interesting choice of ceiling. And some problems with the windows. Let's see. Other than that,
I'll check the basement.
oh yes, we still need to check the basement.
Dun, 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 dun.
Ding, 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 ding. Do you feel safe here? You feel safe with me anywhere, right?
Yes. Do you feel safe with me?
Oh yeah. I do. Okay, so 2 rooms upstairs, 3 rooms, 2nd floor, and 1 room downstairs. So we're talking about
6.
6, which gonna fly. And I'm gonna let you lead the way to the basement. It's interesting door. Did you see door like this? Oh. Are you okay?
Yeah, must be.
Okay.
It's a little soft.
Little soft.
Yeah, a little soft.
Try not to touch anything.
Yeah.
Right? Okay, it's definitely a bad basement. But it's pretty big. Okay. And it's not that moldy, you know, like when you smell mold, like,
What?
no, it is moldy.
Oh gosh.
Well, this need to go, right?
No furnace. Where's the hot water tank? Yeah. Don't see why.
What about electrical?
Electrical there.
Electrical.
They're missing. Oh, they converted into a 1 family.
Okay, it was 2, but they did it 1, right?
Yep. They took the meter off.
Okay. And we don't see water.
Yeah.
Okay. How come?
I don't know if I took it.
Yeah.
Because this furnace ain't got AC. Look
Yeah.
up. Where's the furnace? No, no,
It does have AC or no?
no. No.
No? But all this dark work, it's all for heat?
For heat, yeah.
Okay. How you can get this washer out? I don't know.
Very slowly.
Oh,
You
yeah.
got back door back
And
there.
this is a back door.
Yep, the hot water tank is right here. Was right here.
Okay.
You're right.
Yeah, so they took it. Okay. It was a difficult job, I would say, to take this out, right?
No.
Okay, let's get out.
Your spooky basement.
It's not spooky, it's alright. So we're talking about, you see all some of the details. Like but it can be turned to the beautiful house again. And this is on the market for 35,000. So what do you think? Is it worth it? If you need an address, leave a comment below. I will, and as always, thank you for watching.